this is for my third experiment called digital input with the push button. So the materials that we need are a bunch of wires, like maybe around 7, push button and a LED light and 2 resistors. So the mechanism is when you push this button, the LED light will turn on. So first is we gotta put our LED light here, and the power push button and here. Yep. The next one is we're gonna put the resistor. So we'll put it in the sharp leg of the LED light. Yeah, just nice and tidy. And for this one also. Yep, so we have 2 resistors now, one for the button and one for the LED light. Now we're just gonna connect the wires. So the resistor of the LED button will be going to negative line. Then the next one will be the long leg of the LED button, which will be here, will be going into the ground. And then, yeah, that's the ground. Yeah. And next is the resistor of the button will be going into the positive line, and another leg will be going into the negative one. So just here and to the negative line. Then lastly, the other leg with the resistor, which the other one will be this one going to the number 2 slot. So ground, or yeah, the number 2 slot, and this one blue one will be going into the ground line, and positive into the 5 volts. Yeah. Let me just check if I put it all correctly. This should be working fine. Now I just gotta connect it first. Yep. I need to fix something. Probably here. The 13th line. Yep. There's a couple of errors there. So the code will be here somewhere. Then if I push the button, it will lit up. So it's one of the lights. Okay. So turn on the button and turn off the button. So that's it for the third experiment.